Hey, how's it going? This is Brian Farrell, and I want to take a few minutes to show you about a free website that I've been using to earn free Bitcoin every day. Actually, every hour of the day. And it's a site that you can use right now for free. It doesn't require you to just sign up for any kind of registration subscription program. You don't have to pay a dime to get started. And you can do this right from the comfort of your computer and get free Bitcoin earned every single hour with very, very, very little effort at all. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll come to the website and you can take advantage of setting up your free account and start right away earning free Bitcoin. And the cool thing is it's going to show you right here in the top right corner how much Bitcoin you have in your current account right now. Now, this is not going to be your on crypto wallet on your phone or on your virtual private server, but it's actually held right here on the website. But as soon as you're ready to go ahead and withdraw that, you can click the withdraw button right here and withdraw it right out to your own personal wallet of your choice. So that way you can go and spend it on whatever it is you want to spend it on. If you want to convert it to some other kind of cryptocurrency, that's really up to you. But the really cool thing about this site is that you can do various ways of earning free Bitcoin right here from the site. And you don't have to refer anybody, you don't have to sell anything, you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to download anything. And they're always running really cool promotions like giving away a Lamborghini. Okay, so you guys need to come on here, check this website out, get your free Bitcoin, and let me show you how easy this is. Once you come onto the website and you get logged in, you can go right up here to earn free Bitcoin. So what it's going to do is it's going to bring it to a page here where it tells you different ways that they will go ahead and provide you free Bitcoin for doing various little activities right here on the website. Now, you don't have to watch any videos or watch any ads or write any kind of scripts or give reviews or anything like that. You're just simply going to use the features that they give you right here to multiply your earnings of the Bitcoin. And once you have a little Bitcoin balance built up on your account, you can also earn 4.08% annual interest on your free Bitcoin balance that you're holding right here in the account. Plus, you can multiply that right here with a little, they have a multiplication games. Like right here, if you click on multiply BTC, then you can choose to play this wager game where you are simply going to bet high or bet low, and you're going to have the system generate a random number just like the regular high-low game. If you wager correctly, you can win bonus Bitcoins, and all the winnings are deposited into your online account right here in real time. So if you decided that you wanted to come here and you wanted to go ahead and wager 0.001 Bitcoin, it'll tell you how much profit you can expect from that. If you wanted to go ahead and wager 0.255, 0.0002551 Bitcoin, your profits would be 0.0000251 Bitcoin. Now, of course, you can double your bet amount here, and you can go ahead and maximize it out if you want to maximize how much you are going to spend out of your balance that you're maintaining right here. So that's one feature that they have. And then during the weekends, they have special promotions where you can get 5 times the reward points. And as you scroll down, you'll see, now here's all the times people have seen profit from wagering their free Bitcoin that they had on this free game built right into the website. But let me show you really quick how easy it is to get your Bitcoin. All you simply have to do is, once you're logged in, is you're going to go right here where it says free Bitcoin, and you're going to scroll down, and it's going to tell you that they are selecting a lucky number, and based on the lucky number that's selected, this is how much payout you can receive directly deposited in real time to your account right here. So let's go ahead and take advantage. So you'll see right now I have 0.0011071 Bitcoin. So all we have to do is we're going to signify that we're not a robot. We're going to click the little button right here for the CAPTCHA, and this is the numbers we're trying to obtain, and based on what numbers we randomly roll, it will go ahead and provide us out this free Bitcoin right here. So here's my number, 0.000101871 Bitcoin, and we're going to go ahead and roll it. So here we go. All right, so my session expired because I have been on the page a little too long here getting the video recorded. So let's refresh the page and let's go back in and let's do it again. All right, so we're back on the page. Here we're the same options of rolling a lucky number. Here's our same payouts. We're going to click I am not a robot because this only works for real humans trying to get some real Bitcoin, and let's go ahead and roll. All right, so the number that I rolled was 7,067, okay? And even right here, as soon as you roll it, they give you the option to multiply your Bitcoins up to 4,750 times with their free win lottery tickets and reward point system. That's the game I just showed you there. Now with this, I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of this because I can go back to the bonuses a little later. But it tells me I just won 0.000015 Bitcoin, and as you see, it went ahead and was given to me in real time right to my account. Now you may not say that that's a lot, but that was just one simple roll to get free Bitcoin directly deposited into your real-time account, and you didn't do anything but press a button. That's it. You didn't have to spend no money. You didn't talk to anybody. You didn't download anything. You didn't have to write a review or understand what Bitcoin value means or any of that thing right now. You can learn that on your own, but we all know that cryptocurrency is taking over as the leading way that people are going to be spending their hard-earned money in the future. I mean, technology is just advancing year after year after year, and Bitcoin's been around for quite a while now, and I believe the 1 Bitcoin right now is worth about almost $8,000 right now. So you're getting free money, and as you see, you can use this free website. It gives you a countdown, tells you the next time where you can play your next roll, which is going to be 58 minutes from now. So 58 minutes from now, you come right back to the website, you come right back to free BTC, and you're going to roll for another number, and you're going to try to get, you know, some of these higher numbers. And no matter what you roll, every hour of every day, you come back here, take your free roll, press one button, and you're going to get free Bitcoin deposited into your account. I mean, it's that simple. I mean, there's nothing hard about this at all. My 3-year-old can do this, you know. This is a very simple way to click a button and get free Bitcoin, and you can withdraw it right out to your account if you choose to. You can deposit your own money into the account if you want to as well, because remember, it says you can earn 4.8 annual interest on your Bitcoin balance, and that means the balance that you're holding right here. Plus, when you play their multiply BTC game or you bet on different events, you can win a Lamborghini Huracan. I mean, who wouldn't want to have a free Lamborghini? Even if you don't like sports cars, sell it. You know, you've got a free car, sell it for a profit. Take that money, reinvest it back into whatever it is that you want to spend your money on. You can put it back into your crypto wallet. You can invest it in Forex or any other business that you might be running. But I want you guys to take advantage of this free program. There will be a link right below the video that you can use to get signed up today for your free program and start earning your free Bitcoin right here. And if you decide decide to refer this to other people, then you can also earn from their roles and their earnings every day as well. All right, once again, this is Brian Farrell signing off. I'm going to show you guys how to get that free Bitcoin. Take advantage. This is the Goal Crusher signing out. Now go crush your goals.